Oyagala okumanya ebiriwo, ebyaliwo, oba ebigenda okubaawo. Program Tambula n'okumanya eggose. Tambula n'okumanya ku MRU TV ne Royal FM. Tambula n'okumanya. Tambula n'okumanya.
In today's Tambula n'okumanya, we've brought you Janet Jackson. She was a sister to the late Micheal Jackson. Janet Jackson was born on May 16th in 1966 in Gary, Indiana, and she's a daughter to Katherine Jackson and Joy Joseph Jackson, who were musicians. She is the youngest of the 10 children. After her birth, her brothers formed a band later called the Jackson 5. She lived at home with her sisters, while her brothers and father lived an extravagant life in Los Angeles, with her entire family involved in the entertainment industry. It was only natural of Janet Jackson to follow the suits. She started recording in the studio at a very young age. At the age of 7, she had performed in Las Vegas Strip at MGM Casino. In 1976, Jackson began acting in the variety shows in the Jacksons. The following year, she landed the of Penny Goldenwood in the sitcom Good Times. This was followed by a new role in A New Kind of Family and a recurring role in Different Strokes. At the age of 16, Jackson signed a contract with A&M Records under the label. She released her debut album, Janet Jackson, in 1982. The album peaked at number 63 on Billboard 200 and at number 6 on R&B Albums chart. In 1984, Jackson released her second, Dream Street. The album was moderate successful, peaking at 147 on Billboard 200 and at the number 19 on R&B Albums chart. Continuing stiff with her father led Jackson to walk away from her shadow. She then teamed up with Jimmy Jam and Telly Lewis to come up with her third album called Control, which became a major hit. The album peaked at number 1 on Billboard 200 and was certified 5 times platinum by the RIAA. Also, it sold more than 10 million copies worldwide. After the album of Control, she produced many more songs, and among the albums she produced, they include Janet and Again, Rims and Nation, among others. Jackson preserved with both her music and screen career. The Mitojo offering collaboration with Kanye West and Jay-Z, and among the awards Janet Jackson won include 11 American Music Awards, 5 German Awards. In 2004, the Mitojo offering collaboration with Kanye West and Jay-Z, and among the awards Janet won include 11 American Music Awards, 5 German Awards, 10 MTV Video Music Awards, and 11 televised Billboard Music Awards, plus an additional televised award from different time. Janet engaged herself in a relationship and marriage, and she has got children. Jackson's first marriage was in 1984 to James DeBarge, which lasted only a year. In 1991, she married Rennie Elizondo Jr. and stayed with him for 9 years. Her third marriage was in 2012 with Wissam Alman. The couple is now separated but share a son together. Jackson has worked very hard at staying out to the tabloids in an attempt to live a private life. When news broke of her relationship with Kwatali Wissam Alman, everyone wanted to know who he was and how they met. In 2016, Jackson, who was 50 years old at the time, abruptly cancelled her Unbreakable tour, stating, "My husband and I are planning for our family, so I am going to have to delay that." She gave birth in January of 2017 to their son. Alman Jackson shared a picture of that adorable baby on Twitter, but she has never shared a photo of him since then. Shortly after the birth of the son, the couple separated. As they head towards divorce, court things have turned with accusation of verbal abusive and controlling behaviors.